This is the reusable menstrual cup made from soft medical-grade silicone, designed as a comfortable and flexible alternative to traditional period products. The soft silicone material is designed for comfort and flexibility, helping the cup adapt naturally for a secure fit during everyday activities. It's lightweight, reusable, and made for long-term use, which can also help reduce waste compared to disposable products. One feature many people appreciate is the leak-resistant design, which provides dependable protection throughout the day or overnight. The cup is designed to hold a larger amount of fluid compared to some traditional products, making it convenient for busy schedules, travel, workdays, workouts, or sleeping. The flexible design also makes insertion and removal easier once you become familiar with using it. Since it's made from medical-grade silicone, it has a smooth texture that feels soft and comfortable during wear. I also like that it's reusable and easy to clean, making it practical for everyday use while helping reduce the need for constantly repurchasing disposable products. If you're looking for a flexible, reusable, and comfortable period care option, this soft silicone menstrual cup is a convenient choice to consider for daily protection and long-lasting use.